हेलो एंड वेलकम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ शिवानी और से बनाना है. लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम.
Today I will tell you how to programming HTML by using WordPad, Notepad. First we should go to all programs, then go to accessories, then go to Notepad. Then we should type here first, open the bracket. This is open tag. This is open tag. First open the tag and write HTML, then close tag, then and press enter. Then open the head tag, then close. Then after that we should open title tag, then close, then again press enter. Then here we should write the title. Anything else, suppose I should write document title here. Then next we should close the title tag by starting with slash. Then close this tag. Then next we should close head tag. Then next, oh sorry, here not question mark, here is the slash one, and here also slash, because we should closing the tag now. Again let's open the closing tag, head, closing the HTML tag. Now we should save it with the help of Ctrl S. By pressing Ctrl S, then this we should save in the desktop file, and here we have to write, we have give any name, write suppose A I give, and after name we should write .html. Then only it will be open in Mozilla or Chrome. Then press enter. Then we should close it. Then this is the function. This we have to make now.